Working from home can be great, but staying productive takes effort. Let's look at some tips to maximize your work from home success. First, create a dedicated workspace and stick to a schedule just like you would in a regular office. Set clear start and end times for your workday. Remember to take regular breaks. Get up, stretch, walk around, and step away from your screen. It will help you refocus and prevent burnout. Minimize distractions. Turn off notifications, close unnecessary tabs, and communicate your work hours to your household. Communication is key. Stay connected with your team through regular video calls, instant messaging, and email. Prioritize tasks and set realistic goals. Break down large projects into smaller, manageable steps to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Finally, establish a clear boundary between work and personal life. When your workday is done, shut down your computer and disconnect from work-related activities. Working from home requires discipline and focus. By implementing these strategies, you can create a productive and balanced work environment.